Hey guys, we are going to repot my white knight today. I've noticed that it's starting to grow pretty crazy in its pot, and the pot is pretty small as well. So we're gonna go ahead and switch it out of its pot. I did just water it, which I probably should have repotted it before watering it, but I didn't quite realize that it needed to be repotted yet. So we're gonna go ahead and get that repotted. So we're using a 6-inch pot here. Clear. We've got our chunky soil mix in there, and we're going to go ahead and pop out the white knight from this current pot. Alright, so I was looking at the roots and I was not a super big fan of them. I think some of them looked a little rough. I did give it a little bit of a sniff test to make sure they weren't rotted. But yeah, so we're cleaning those up right now. We're just gonna go ahead and snip up these roots, clean those up, again, getting away those bad looking roots. Alright, we just washed our roots up. It is time to go ahead and get it put into our pot and get it looking pretty. Alright, we're going to take that core fiber pole as our support. We're going to stick that into the pot and position our white knight to how we would like it. Alright, time to backfill. Let's put this substrate in there. Again, that's that chunky substrate. We're going to go ahead and fill it on up and make sure she is sturdy. Alright, so now that we have the white knight where we want it, we're going to go ahead and take this garden safe Velcro and we're going to secure it to the pole so that it has that support to help it grow up big and strong.